Thank you. What? I gotta get hay. I got like 2 bales of hay left. And we don't have a run bale.
I feel bad that every time you laugh at us, it sounds so bad.
So today's a big day for our family. It is Renly's first birthday, our grandbaby. So we are on our way to her first birthday party. It is at the same location that our daughter got married, so that's kind of fun. They offered to let us have it there, and we are feeling blessed that it is such a beautiful day. And yeah, so I've been preparing all the food this morning and getting everything ready. So we are on our way there now, and yeah, we'll hope to get some good footage today about at the party, and so you guys can see what her party was like. So,
Whoa.
right, Lane? So, all right.
You really have bad luck.
Renly, ready? Renly, don't eat your stickers.
Ready?
Renly, hi. What does she got?
Don't stress me.
It's all right. If she gets hot, she has a strawberry shirt underneath.
What is she doing? Oh wow.
Getting some footage of the papa. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Renly. Happy birthday to you.
Snowing over here.
What's going on over there, Lane?
Snowing.
Snowing, huh?
Snowing in summer.
Snowing in summertime, when it's springtime. It's not summer yet. First nice day out here, first nice weekend. Paco likes to roll in the mud every chance he gets, so Lane's got a lot of cleanup to do on him every freaking weekend, it seems like. But try to get these guys cleaned up for a little bit. Got old Gidget over here. Gonna try to put that little pony saddle on her. Get her cleaned up. She's pretty calm. Lane's got his work cut out for him. Tank over there. Got some really buddy sour horses these days. As soon as you pull one in over here, these suckers think they wouldn't know what to do without them. Yeah, so we're out here this afternoon, Sunday afternoon, and cleaning these guys up. See what we can get into. They'll get used to it a little bit again. So supposedly she's used to be ridden back in the day. It's been a while, but just got a little saddle just to put the grandkids on and lead them around for a little bit. She's a good little pony. Lane's still over there working hard. Gotta love a white horse. Muddy winters. Always fun. Huh, Lane?
Huh?
Always fun?
Oh yeah.
No. Well, keep getting her used to it and put some kids on her and see what happens.
What are we doing, Dad?
Doing a little weight training for Gidget here, see how she acted, put some weight on her. A little noise. What happens? Doing really good. A little old school weight training. 50-pound bag training.
Got her used to some weight on her. Put a 50-pound bag of grain. See how she reacts. Gotta keep on holding it so it doesn't fall off. Doing pretty good, so. Just walking her around. Chickens are out, enjoying their whatever they're doing.
Little bareback style, Lane?
I had lost my other croc. Do you grab it for me?
She looks like she's just a brown horse now.
Just,
In this video, she does.
will you like put my croc back on my
Sure. I would love to. I love doing that stuff.
No, strap down.
Oh. 4x4 mode? Okay.
Alright, you're good, thanks.
You're welcome.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't have any rays before.
He said Paco.
Renly said Paco?
No.
Oh.
Dad did.
Paco thinks I have food.
What?
Paco thinks I have food.
Renly's first. Renly's first true pony ride.
Oh, yeah. Moving it now, dude. Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa, look at Paco.
So bright. Renly, is it so fun? She's too busy worrying about Lane.
Dixie, go.
She's more worried about you.
Hold on. Hold on. You gotta hold on with both hands.
He's following me. He thinks I have snacks.
Hi.
There you go.
Okay, so I know that I said that I was done talking about bread, but I am just here to tell you while I'm making my dinner, I have a problem. We're just having chicken Caesar wraps, bacon, Caesar, chicken. That needs to be turned back on. Anyways, so I had, this morning I've videoed my dough. I'm just here to tell you that once you start doing sourdough, there's a serious addiction. Gosh, I must be working too hard. Anyways, serious addiction. Clint likes regular white bread for sandwiches. So I'm making 2 loaves right there. Then I have another set of dough for 2 more sourdough loaves. Here is good old Tammy. Here is another loaf that just went in the oven. And then here is another loaf to be baked. And here is my good old Jessica. So I just wanted to let you guys know, does anybody else's kitchen look quite like mine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loaves of bread. And then there's a loaf over there that's still not eaten, and a loaf of banana bread. Please tell me I'm not the only one that has an addiction to making bread and baking. And then Lane wants cookies, so I gotta throw some cookies in the oven too. So that's what my house looks like today on this sunny, beautiful Tuesday.
Lost my help. Now I'm doing it by myself. Good gadget. She's loving it, dude. Stop area to lay down. The chicken coop's been neglected for quite a while. I had to put some new shavings in here and everything, and I'm gonna fix this door finally. See if I can't make the wife a little happier. Let the chickens out and let them roam for a little bit. We fixed up the door, cleaned it up in here, and then give them some fresh places to move around. Maybe they'll start laying a little more eggs. Kind of slowed down here. So, see what happens. Oh, shit. So I haven't figured out why Colson likes to spend his weekends here yet. Every time he comes, we put him to work. But keeps on coming back, which is nice. I appreciate it. Chance is gonna be loving this new dried up area. Well, it's starting to look like something a little better. Be a little happier with this stuff. I'm really curious about it. Supposed to be getting nicer weather this next week, so hopefully something dries out. Maybe this will be the last time we gotta take care of this muddy mess. Wilson's still working hard. Lane? Well, he's driving the tractor. What do you think, Colson?
Looking good.
Okay. It's good. We're gonna run to town, see what these boys get done while we're gone.
Adios. You gotta feed your help.
You gotta feed him though, otherwise he'll quit on me. His dad says he does more work around my house than he does around his own house, so.
Probably.
You got the raw end of the deal.
But he keeps coming back. But we appreciate it, so we feed him. Keep going. Keep going. Get as much as you can. There we go. A couple happy horses now. Round bale time. Put a new round bale in for these two fatties. Waiting on Lane. And smile today. Got Colson over here helping again today. See what we can't get into. See if he remembers how to do this. He did it last time. Just loop it. And hook it back to itself. No, hook it back to this one.
What?
This one
Oh,
right
I
here.
see what you're saying.
Gotta get it bigger. Then this goes up so that it tightens. You might need a bigger loop on your chain there though. No. Hold on, I gotta cut this off and help him out here. Oh, you got it. We also got a couple loads of shavings yesterday. We're gonna try to put some down here in this, dry these pins out for the horses. Be nice. We'll get a little bit of that on video a little bit later.
What are you guys doing?
Well, now we're moving these horses over here. And moving Tank over there so he can eat down what's left of that round bone there. And we're gonna put that in between the round bale, or the round feeder, in between those fences so that these horses and Paco and Gidget can eat off of it at the same time.
Oh, Chance is excited.
And then,
Oh my gosh.
dang it,
Oh, that's not fun.
I dropped it.
Chance is so happy. Oh.
Dumb bitch.
Lane rookied it.
Seriously. Hey, where? Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, come on.
Damn, knock it off. I'm gonna get freaking hurt. Oh, 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 oh. Quit.
They're just so excited to be in this pen. There you go.
Tank, look.
Too excited? Look at his tail. You have all that hay over there that Tink will eat down. Have it so that these horses share it and these horses share it. It's going to cause me a lot less work when I'm feeding. What's wrong, Buster? What's wrong? What's wrong, little guy? Yeah, no thanks. Hi, Belle. I get it.
That's even worse. You got a hell of a blur going on. So.
When our daughter says, "Hey, make a video to end our video for the week's video," we get on it because she was slacking and didn't post a video for you guys. So, I think that you guys just got a glimpse into our last couple of weeks. So, sorry I bored you with so much bread making, but that's been my hobby. It's been my new passion, and I've just been so happy.
Yeah.
We went to dinner tonight at Mongolian after we went to the feed store. You know, that's our normal date night thing. And now we're on our way home, and I have some dough waiting for me to make cinnamon rolls. Sourdough cinnamon rolls. So we're on our way home to do that. So we hope you guys all have a good weekend. We are starting ours now. It's Friday night, so
Date night.
yeah, it's date night. Tractor Supply and Mongolian Grill. So, hope you guys have a good weekend, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.